Good morning students. Today we are going to do chapter verbs. What are verbs? Verbs is used for denoting actions. Okay, actions, work, you can say anything. Okay, action or work are called verbs which we do in our daily life. And what are the other verbs? Like verbs also express our action like running and sitting. If we ask what are you doing? I am running, I am sitting. So these are our action what we are doing. Second बच्चे verb also express state of the subject. Okay, in this we use is, am, are, will, shall, was and were. Like she is a teacher, I am a teacher, you are a teacher, I will be a doctor, I shall be a doctor, you was a teacher, he was a teacher, you were a teacher. बच्चे these words tell something about the subject. These words tell something about the subject. Subject can be बच्चे any person, anything or any animal. Okay, so when these words tell about the subject, that are called state of subject. Next is बच्चे possession. In possession we tell the verb, we use the verb has, have or had to tell what do you have. Like she has a pen, I have a pen, I had a pen. Has or have बच्चे we use for present and had for past. Has for singular, have for plural. For the present, had both for singular and plural but for the past. So these three types of verbs are there. Next बच्चे, as you know how to make a sentence. What is the structure of the sentence? Subject, verb and object. Okay, whenever we write a sentence, then we write subject, verb and object. Positive sentence, that is a positive sentence. Then बच्चे, in verb we can say verb two types, helping verb plus main verb. Helping verb, this one is, am, are, will, shall, was and were. These are helping verb. Main verb बच्चे our actions, that are main verbs. So बच्चे there is an object. How to find this object? So as you know, first of all we will write subject, then verb and then object. So in this sentence, Nipun drove the car. Nipun is a subject. After subject what comes? Verb. What is a verb? Drove. Then बच्चे, first of all you will find the verb. Okay, to find the object, first of all you will see the verb. Then you ask the question, what drove? What drove? The answer will be the car. And बच्चे answer, when we are finding the object, then this is compulsory that answer come in object place, not in subject place. Answer should be come on object place. Okay, so we ask what drove the car, and the car is coming in the object place, same. Okay, so this is the object, and what we use for asking the things. Mother loves her baby. Then loves is a verb. Whom loves? Her baby. Her baby is also coming in an object place. Okay, so this is an object, and this is what? Person. Baby is a person. So asking about a person, we ask whom loves. Okay, so to find the object, we will ask two questions: what for things, whom for person. Next बच्चे, kinds of verbs. Three types of verbs: transitive verbs, intransitive verbs and the incomplete verbs. बच्चे, transitive verbs required an object. Required an object. How? Like I told you here, Aman cut the cake. Aman is a subject. What is a verb? Cut. And now you will ask, what cut? The cake. So what is the cake? The cake is a object. And same thing बच्चे, the cake should be come on an object place. If the object is coming in the subject place, that will be wrong. Okay. If it is a transitive verb, then the object should come on the object place. Firstly subject, then verb, then object. So what cut? The cake. The cake is coming in the object place, so it is a object, and this is a transitive verb. Intransitive verb बच्चे do not require any object. Like the moon is shining. The moon is a subject, is shining. These both are verbs. And you can see after verb no any object is there. Object place is empty. So that sentence is called intransitive verbs. Like if we ask what is shining? What is shining? You can say the moon. But बच्चे the moon is coming in the subject place. It is not coming in the object place. So this is intransitive verb. We want an object. If we ask what is shining, okay, the moon, but the moon is on the subject place. It is not in on object place. Okay, so this is intransitive verb. Remember these things. Then incomplete sentence बच्चे, incomplete sentence also do not require an object, and in this we use helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were, will be, shall be. Like the teacher was annoyed. Here the helping verb is was annoyed. Now you can ask the question what was? No answer. Whom was? No answer. Okay, no answer is there. Then what is the annoyed? It is coming in the object place. Then what is the annoyed? बच्चे annoyed is not a person. It is not a thing. It is a verb. So it called incomplete verbs. Okay, listen to it. So annoyed is called a compliment. What is annoyed? Annoyed is a compliment. The teacher subject was verb. But annoyed is, but object can be a person or can be a thing. But if it is not a person or thing, that means it is a compliment. So annoyed is a compliment for the teacher. Okay, so this chapter is completed. Thanks for watching.